A warm good evening to one and all present here. Today we have gathered here for the webinar by the Computer Society of India Coimbatore chapter. The webinar title is AI in Action, Real World Applications and Insights. And the guest speaker of the day is Ms. Divya Krish, founder and CEO, eFast Tech Services. She is also a first-year postgraduate student in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at United Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Now, I welcome our chairman, Mr. R. Saravana Kumar, who is a renowned social entrepreneur, visiting professor at PSG College of Technology, and former director, Cognizant Technology Solutions, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you. Iniya Malai Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this exciting and insightful free webinar on AI in Action, Real World Applications and Insights, organized by our Computer Society of India, Coimbatore chapter. I am honored to see such a wonderful turnout of bright minds, professionals, and AI enthusiasts, all gathered here to explore the ever-expanding world of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a buzzword or a futuristic concept.
Hello.
It is a part of our everyday lives, from healthcare to finance, from retail to manufacturing, and beyond. The world we live today thrives on innovation, and AI stands at the forefront of these technological advancements. We are delighted to have Ms. Divya Krish with us, who is not only the founder and CEO of eFast Tech Services, but also a first-year student of MTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at United Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Divya brings a unique blend of academic brilliance and hands-on experience, which makes her the perfect speaker to guide us through the practical applications and real-world insights into AI. In today's session, you will take away so many key learnings, such as the first key learning would be about AI fundamentals, wherein you would be able to understand the core principles that drive artificial intelligence. The second takeaway would be real-world applications of AI from hospitals to banks and from shopping platforms to industries. And the third takeaway would be AI tools and platforms, wherein you'll be able to explore the technical side of AI development. And the fourth takeaway would be case studies and success stories, wherein we will understand how AI has transformed industries and solved the real world problems. And finally, the fifth takeaway would be the glimpse of the future trends and best practices in the rapidly evolving field of AI. This webinar is an invaluable opportunity to learn, ask questions, and be inspired by the innovative power of AI. So, thank you all for joining us this evening. Let's keep the spirit of curiosity and learning alive throughout the session. Once again, on behalf of Computer Society of India Coimbatore chapter, I warmly welcome you all, and I now hand over the session to our dedicated, committed MOC, Dr. Maharasan. Thank you and enjoy the webinar.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to know about our guest speaker. For this, now I invite Dr. Radha Damodaram, the Management Committee member, CSI Coimbatore chapter, who is also a Chief Executive Director of iBuds Montessori Play School, Director, Skype Connect Private Limited, Director, White Hat Junior Private Limited. Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. Good evening, one and all present here. It's truly wonderful to see all of you here today. We are gathered here to enhance our knowledge on real-world applications and insights. So I wish to introduce our chief guest of today's, yes, Divya Krish. So Divya Krish is the founder and CEO for eFast Tech Services based in Coimbatore and Bangalore. With a bachelor degree in computer science engineering and MBA in entrepreneurship, she is currently pursuing an MTech in AI and data science at the United Institute of Technology. She founding ETS in 2022, Divya has been instrumental in providing AI training and digital marketing solutions, while also offering design and DTP services using industry standard tools like CorelDRAW and Canva. Her entrepreneurial spirit is further reflected in her role as co-founder of the EFOS IAS Academy, where she prepares aspiring civil servants. With prior experience as a technical cum admin officer at KPR Group and as a junior program developer at Krish Infotech, Divya combines technical experience with a strong focus on empowering women through entrepreneurship training, fostering a supportive environment for the aspiring businesswoman to thrive. Divya Krish is a passionate about leveraging technology to empower individuals and communities with a strong commitment to fostering entrepreneurship among women. With a robust background in technology and business, she is dedicated to making a meaningful impact in the tech landscape. Yes, we are very much pleased to have you, Divya Shah, here. So let's make this day as a memorable one. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for uh, giving a detailed introduction about our guest speaker, who's a with and she's a perfect blend of technology and management, and you've given the complete details. Thank you. Now it is time to hear from our guest speaker, Ms. Divya Krish, founder and CEO, EFOS Technology Tech Services. Ms. Divya, now we can start presenting your slides.
So very good evening to everyone. Thank you so much for your wonderful introductions about me. So it's my honor to be present in my webinar today at this esteemed organization of Computer Society of India. And this organization is running successfully for more than almost 6 decades. And it's my pleasure to share my some knowledges, insights to this webinar to all our today's attendees. Thank you so much for your wonderful welcoming about me. And respected chairman, Mr. Saravana Kumar sir, and vice chairman, secretary, and all other dignitaries, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity today. So thank you. And without delay, so let me directly dive into the session. So is my presentations is visible to everyone?
Yeah, you could move over to, show mode. The mode you could change so
Please
that
move to the slideshow mode.
slideshow mode, please. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
now
you.
it's perfect.
Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So, and today we're going to talk about the great topic of artificial intelligence and its actions, real world applications and insights. So in our ETS company, so our mission is to making every individuals and business peoples to make them digitally strong and technologically updated by just giving them a comprehensive way of digital solutions and learning methods to face their today's challenges. And in today's webinar, we're going to see some few topics about the same webinar topic. The first, what is AI and its AI tools, and how its real world applications works, and how it's used for various industries. And we'll see some demo show for some few AI tools for creating stunning presentations and website building, and how can get your text by over of voice, and you can create your no copyright AI images and videos. We'll see one by one. At last, you will see the questionnaire sessions. So the word. So now you are seeing the word. It's shaping shaping the entire world across the countries. Like some people, when you hear about this word, so some people may get confident, some people may get some fear, some people may get threatening about this word. So how it's going to rule the entire world in next few decades. So this is a major concepts are prevailing everywhere. And before that, so what is AI? So what is AI tools? So now we have to understand the basic of what is AI. So, so do you think it's no longer a futuristic concept? So we are already using in day-to-day lives. So for example, from our Google voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and also from algorithms that powering all the social medias like FB, YouTube, Facebook. So in everywhere, this AI technology is already emerged with the technologies completely that we are using on our mobile phones or the websites or in the social medias. So simply, so what is AI? It is simply basically, so when you compare to the human brain, so how we function our human brain, it is simply like, so we are just thinking, learning and reusing of some data. So similarly, we are just making the machines, computer machines, to mimic like a human brain, human intelligence, to solve some problems and do some performing tasks. So this is what AI technology. And so what is AI tool? So it is basically a software applications. So where they will write some AI algorithms to do some tasks and to solve some problems. So this is what AI tools. So in India, around 2000 AI tools are available after ChatGPT. Around 20 to 2000 AI tools are launched in our global markets. So in this, we are just starting off 150 plus AI tools for different categories that we will see in the next slides. So in real world, so AI technology was used by various industries that you can see in the picture. So in healthcare, even in education sector, banking, and EV side and manufacturing, entertainment, sports, and digital workforce. So wherever you go, all the industries are trying to adapting this AI technology. And let me show you one video for you. So I think a month before, one in Behind Woods YouTube channel, so there is an award function that time was happened. So they gave this iconic, golden iconic award to actor Vivek sir. So that time his wife was received that award. That time they showed the virtual reality video of Vivek sir. Let me see this. So I will just pass this. So just see how the AI technology are useful in the entertainment industries. He's simply walking. Yeah, now the Vivek sir avatar video is showing. It's taking a time now. So this is how this AI technology touching the emotional part of someone's human life in the entertainment industry. So the same way it is applicable to all the industries that we will see one by one. And in the real world, so as we are doing, as we are having around 25 to 30 mobile applications in our mobile phones, right? So one is our taxi booking apps, and it may be Uber or Ola or Red Taxi. So how they are adapting this AI technology, how they are enabling their AI technology into their mobile applications. So we may probably book the cab through the app like Uber, Retaxi, or Ola, but we don't know how it ensure the ride is just a few minutes away. So this AI can make this happening by analyzing of the historical data. That means the Google locations and the registered candidate details, everything to allocate the drivers more efficiently, drive their works. So in this AI technology was used. So there is a term called intelligent algorithms that predicting the demand patterns of the particular locations and the historical data of the particular user as well. And there is another term called route optimization. So this is then another algorithms method they updated in their taxi booking apps. So where AI shines this cab booking apps algorithms by just analyzing the real-time traffic data by using the GPS optimization and the roads, traffic data and other variables to suggest the cab drivers to do fast driving and more efficient routes and minimizing their traveling time as well, so that completely it enhancing the users and driver satisfactions. So all these taxi booking applications are enabling this two algorithms, AI algorithms, so that we are using without any interruptions, even very safer also. This is one kind of applications in real world we are using. And the next one is voice assistants. So as we all know, there are top MNC companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Microsoft. So all the USA-based American companies, they introduced voice assistants. So what's it, voice assistants? So it is, yes.
Ma'am, sorry for the interruption.
Yes, sir.
Your slides are not visible.
Okay, one sec. So is it fine now, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so all the top companies, they have their own voice assistant product that you can see Amazon's Alexa, Google's Assistant, and Apple's Siri, and MS Cortana. So all these voice assistants that we are using in the real world. So first, what is a voice assistant? So anyone of you, what is that voice assistant? Yes. So it is simply like our friend. So it will act like you by giving off the voice commands, correct? So this is what voice assistant. So AI backed voice user interfaces that we can say in technical term VUI, that is voice user interfaces. So that is to process and decipher their voice commands. So these applications they leverage the vast databases on cloud storage platforms. So these are all the technical terms, cloud storage platforms. So where they can parse the thousands of lines of the data that we feed already into these algorithms to complete the tasks one by one and bring back the tailored search engine results. So this is how these voice assistants are working behind these all products, algorithms, applications. And next one, so image recognitions through Google Lens. So Google have many applications they are using. So we will see how many Google applications are available, how many Microsoft applications are available, even in Tamil Nadu company, Zoho, a top tech company in Tamil Nadu. So how many products they are using, even the Zoho company's products are used by almost 190 countries across the world. Even it is not with Google and Microsoft, but Zoho, our Tamilian company, its products are used by 190 countries. They are using our products. And this image recognition through Google Lens, so which means we can get the data. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're loud and clear. Please proceed.
So extends these capabilities of image recognitions beyond many virtual identifications. So this Google Lens can recognize objects, landmarks, or text and images. So everything it can get it from the images by having of the technology behind optical character recognition. So in every applications, so all are enabling the AI technology by introducing of different AI algorithms. For this Google Lens, they enabled this optical character recognition algorithm so that it can able to recognize the objects and text, even the landmarks, barcode, anything. You can see this flower or any shop photo or any Google bar. So it can able to recognize by using these optical character recognition algorithms. And next, okay, so we are seeing some few real world applications about AI and how it's work for healthcare industry. So I have this just a short minutes of video here. So there are two cases available. So in healthcare, predominantly for the robotic surgery and for the patient diagnosis, AI technology playing a major role. Even doctors are recommending to use robotic surgeries from cardiology, urology, gynecology, so whatever the industries may be. In USA, most of the cities, they are using robotic surgery. When you go for any kind of treatment surgery, they will use robotic surgery. So by using this, so this can reduce human errors. When we do the operations on the human body, there are some intricate parts of the body. Human may take errors. Doctors may have some errors doing the operations. But by doing of this robotic surgery, so they can minimize the human flaws, and also it reducing the blood loss even. Even when doing the operations in the intricate parts of the body, it reduces the blood loss even, and also it reducing the pain after the surgery. So the completely all the doctors are recommending this robotic surgeries. Even in Coimbatore, so we are having this robotic surgery at PSG Hospital and KG Hospital as well. So slowly that is penetrating into all the industries, all the hospitals also. And next one is patient diagnosis. So there are some cases are there. It is like if you are having some basic fevers, cold, cough, that is not a problem. Doctors will be there. They will give the treatment to us. For abnormal cases, so how it happens, doctors may not predict what diseases was to the particular patient. In that case, they will do some basic tests like blood, sugar, pressure, urine test, and everything. Then they will give you some medicines for 3 to 6 months of time. In that, the patient have to consume that medicines. After that, only the doctors can able to identify which disease affect them. So that the 3 to 6 months of durations of consuming medicines may affect their body as well. They may mature the disease level also. So in this case, if they are using this AI technology enabled operations mode, so they can instantly predict the patient diagnosis using of the test reports instantly, so that it reducing the humans death rate also. So by introducing of this technology into the patient diagnosis way. So there is one small video. So I did with using of an AI tool.
In just a few seconds, we'll see how technology transforms care. Robot surgery allows doctors to operate on a fit body. From cardiac surgery to neurology, gynecology, the game changer. These robots simplify complex procedures, reducing human error.
So in this way, the machines are doing a robotic surgery. So where you can find this very nano part of this. By this, it may reduces the blood loss and also human flaw, everything, so that patients' operations will be perfect without any blood loss and also even any no pain. So doctors are recommending to do this surgeries.
Future of safer surgery. It's like passive.
So this is like a simple video which was generated by using one video AI tool. And so next one is smart input keywords. So how with this? So with the help of AI, so these apps can efficiently correct the mistakes of whatever we type on the keyboard. So it helps switch between the languages as well and predict the next word in the non-intrusive manner as well. So when we type gesture, so So it automatically just typing of GES, it shows what comes next. So how it's happening. So behind there is a technology that is called random forest machine learning algorithm. So whatever the AI technologies we use and we saw, so behind there are algorithms, there are various algorithms available for AI technology. By just invoking of that particular algorithms, so your applications will be going to be AI enabled. So for this case, they are using the principles of random forest machine learning platform algorithm. And next, so all the video streaming apps, how it's work. So all the applications, how they are enabling this AI technology. So by having of this Netflix applications, so users simply just saw the movies on the Netflix. So how they are categorizing the movies, sports, entertainment, kids play, music, everything they are categorizing it, how it's happening. So the similarity of computations was done with AI technology of predicting algorithms. So there is algorithm called predictions algorithms. By using this, the users can able to categorize their shows interest, and they can see the follow-ups which is related to your previous videos. So this is what Netflix works by using AI technology. And in manufacturing also, yeah, so I can play this video. So this is the potato chips manufacturing machine. So in this, so before this machine, how this works means, so just see, it is going to the delivery packing mode. All the chips are going to the delivery way. Now it's coming on the packing. Yes. So in manufacturing also, there are AI algorithms available. For this, we can say it as, if you go to the lathe chips, you can find all the chips are on the same size. How it's happening? So they wrote some algorithms for this sophisticated image processing algorithm. By using this, they can able to send only that same size of potato chips to the delivery. Otherwise, it is never goes to that. So also, you can find the linear way of manufacturing factory. How it is, there are kind of 10 steps are available to from the loading of the potato to the delivery mode. But by integrating of this all the machines into one, it just eliminating the humans involvement. So you can upload the potato and you will get the potato chips within 5 minutes of time. So this is called, they are just integrating AI technology with machine learning algorithms, so that they are using this linear production system algorithm. They wrote this algorithm so that only they just integrated all the machines into one, and so which reduces the human involvement. You can directly put the potato, you will get the direct chips without any interruptions and nothing that. So this is how the manufacturing industries are using this AI technology to make produce more results efficiently without human involvement. So in this case, how we have to look into this is the AI technologies. The industries are always looking 5 factors, right? So that is their efficiency, quality, time, speed, and cost always. So the company always looking to achieve their targets with the high efficiency, high quality, high speed, with a minimal of cost, with a minimal of time to achieve their profit margins high, right? So for this, all the industries are using maximum of technologies to make their quality up to the level high and with the reduced cost, so that the industries are using the technology. So which in this case, we cannot say it reduces the unemployment rate low. So we have to see the companies are trying to adapting the new technologies. And now how it's used in various industries that we will saw now. The AI tools are already used by various people. Some I'm just listing here. The entrepreneurs, job seekers, digital marketers, even college students from different categories, and research scholars, teachers, trainers, musicians, and HR peoples, and software developers, designers, journalists, and so on. So everybody are right now using these AI tools. So this is a real-time data which we took all the industrial experts, and we were just to be interviewing them, and we are giving services to them based on their interest. I'm just listing all their list here. So next, so how it can be increased your productivity for this different kind of peoples? For if you are a college student, for their resume preparations and to connect with more peoples, and for doing the presentations or infographical or a project report. So absolutely these AI tools are used. And for the digital marketers to do image creations without copyright, with high quality HD quality image creations, we can use AI tools. Even for the YouTubers, they always used to make some videos regularly. So for them, there are a lot of AI tools are available. And for the sound, for musicians, they usually have some musical instruments. So by playing that, they can generate their own MP3 files. But there are AI tools are available. By using that, we can create a different kind of sounds, musical and background sounds also. And if you are a job seeker, you have to prepare yourself for an interview. So we can able to practice our communications. There are one applications available, Duolingo. By using this, there are 44 plus languages are available. So by using this, they can further enhance their communication skills. Even if you are a job seeker, if you go to the job market facing the interview, so you can do some mock interview practice by using of this video interviewing AI tools. And content writers are the major market. So in USA and Singapore as well. So these countries are expecting many content writers. So for them, as we all know, ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot and OpenAI ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. So, and also one more interesting tool, Gravity, right? So these AI tools we can use to create an instant and innovative professional way of contents. And for the email drafting, so once you want to send their mail to their inside the company, want to share their ideas to anywhere, means they can use this AI tools to make their email drafting. And also in YouTube, we can saw some videos, animated videos have millions of views. How they are doing? So by using of these AI tools, they can generate, create some animated, interesting story videos as well. And especially for the software developers, programming. So programming will be the major part. So whatever the applications prompt that you give into that input field, so it will give you the exact programming code of that particular languages. Whatever we request, it will give you that particular language model. So this will be very helpful for software developers in cybersecurity field or an IT field, CSE field, or an AIDS field even. So they can use some kind of AI tools for their programming developing skills. And for the HR recruiters, there are some AI tools are available for HR recruiters to screening the resumes from the LinkedIn, Now, Indeed, and just sorting and just making the interview schedules to them. They can use kind of AI tools. So there is one famous quote available. People may know from the YouTube or any ads. So AI won't replace you, but the person having of the skill, AI skill will going to replace you. So how many of you heard about this quote outside of some social media? So that is one famous quote, AI won't replace you, but the person using of AI skill will definitely going to replace you. This is a famous quote on social media. So how many of you heard about this? Yes, if you are know this, just type as in the chat box or in the message tab. Now we'll move to the next topic. So always I am telling to every people that as a technical persons, we can choose two ways. So one is either we have to be a creator or we have to be an user. That means creator means in this I'm telling you may be a software developers, app developers, or like programming developers where you can have some idea, you can create your own applications or a software, make your business as well, or you can work for some other private company as a developer. That's all. But if you are a user, if you are a user, so how many of you thinking? How many of you thinking? How many mobile applications are in the entire world? So any guess? So how many total applications are there in the world? So anyone guess? Okay, so let me move further. Almost in our mobile phones, we may use up to 25 to 30 mobile applications. But how many of the applications are available in the entire world? So you can search it in the Google itself. Almost 8.3 million applications are available in the entire world. So creators have one options, that is they have their own idea, they can do their projects and they can do their on the single way. But as a user, they have 83 lakhs of applications are available. So they can make using of it for their working style and for their requirements. For example, you have Google Meet and Zoom Meet, correct? So they are simply an application, software applications. But as a student's aspect and as a business aspect, we are using it for webinars and for doing presentations and for class handling. Teachers are using this. So many of us just awareing of this software, and they are just using this for their requirement. So similarly, you will have 83 lakhs of applications are available in the entire world. So you can use this for your convenience, for your requirements, for your working style. So how we can do that? There are two platforms available, Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. So for the Android users, they can use the Google Play Store to download all these different applications. And for the Apple users, they can use Android Play Store to download different variety of applications for their working requirements. And here I'm listing five different kind of startup companies. So Unacademy, Razorpay, UiPath, Q.Fit, Swiggy. So these are all the different companies. One is from online learning platform. Razorpay is basically PG solutions. UiPath is basically RPA software, and the Q.Fit is basically health and fitness app. And Swiggy, as all we know, Swiggy, Zomato are food delivery apps. So you can find it here. So all the startup companies are using these technologies, right? AI, machine learning, data analytics, blockchain, IoT, and data analytics and robots. So one of these top technologies, all these currently used mobile applications are doing this. Yes. So I'm telling, so these are the companies are running only by having up their mobile applications. So they are keep update their mobile applications by enabling of these technologies. How they are enabling these technologies? I'm telling about AI, machine learning, blockchain, everything. How you can able to enabling these technologies into your mobile applications. So next I'm showing you. So these are all the programming languages. If you are using into your mobile applications, you can able to enable these technologies. Fine. So you can find Python, it's available in all the technologies. So this is why, so we are always talking about the Python language will be the booming languages right now to enable artificial intelligence or data science or cloud computing, IoT technology into your mobile applications or a software. So if you want to develop your own applications means you should know these languages, especially Python, because Python is very user friendly and library file is having a lot, so that you can import the library files where you can use all the library contents into your mobile applications. So this is how Python is talked by many peoples. And next, so let me see, just before this, we just saw about what is AI, how it's used for various industries that we saw in this, and how the technology, what are the programming languages behind the technologies. And here, we'll show some how AI tools are working. So first we'll see how to create a stunning presentations by using some one AI tool. There are tools are available, epic.com, presentations.ai, and presentations.ai with Pic, and Pic to Chart. Some tools are available, but I'm just telling you how to use the gamma.ai tool for create your own presentations. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now I'm go to Gamma. So now I'm just telling you how to use this Gamma tool for create your own presentation. So just click new after logged into the Gamma. So you will have this page. So there are 3 ways we can create your own presentations. I'm just picking this by just giving off the single line prompt. We can generate our own presentations. So I'm just clicking Gamma. And after this, we can find this cards 8. So in gamma.ai, in this tool, we can able to create up to 10 slides at a freemium mode. After that, it goes to premium mode. So I'm just clicking 10. I just want 10 slides. In this area, we can give our idea prompt. For example, I'm just going to take a presentation for balanced diet plan and its benefits. Okay, I'm just giving this. For this, it will automatically generate the 10 slide outlines. Yes. So this is how it can generate the title of each slide. So if you want to move with this, we can just click next. Otherwise, if you want to edit this content, you can just click edit it. That's all. So myself, these topics are enough. After that, I'm just moving to this settings. So in this brief means in each slide, it will give you bulleting points. If it is medium mode, it will give you a concise, a brief paragraphs. If you choose detailed means, it will give you a detailed paragraph for each slide. So I'm just giving medium. And after that, I'm just giving generate. So where we can choose, right side, you can see many templates here. So I'm just to choose this one. After clicking the template, just click generate. You may have some questions. Already we are having Google Slides and Microsoft Company's PowerPoint already available. So that's are pretty good, but all we are graphical designers, right? So we cannot able to make stunning visualized presentations every time. So by using of these AI tools, we can able to create. Yeah, so it is already started to generating this content on every pages. So it's slowly giving the content on each slide. So automatically giving the no copyright contents, no copyright AI images, and title, pictures, everything. So this is how it can generate for all the 10 pages. After that, if we don't want to have this picture in our slide, we can just click this and delete it. After that, you can just remove it and you can add some new photos as well. And for this content, you just click this and you can edit the content. You can change the font, style, size, color, and everything. So once I'm just to present it now. So this is how it's looking slow. So this is how we can able to generate our stunning presentations by using of this Gamma AI tool. Similarly, you can give whatever the kind of idea prompt that you may have in your mind, just giving this and then just selecting the number of slides that you want, and then click generate so that you can get an instant presentations. So once it comes down, you can re-edit it. If you want to take pictures to update, you can do that. You can edit the content as well. So everything. So this is the one of the tool, and next one, codedesigns.ai. So all the business peoples are struggling to make their websites, to build their websites. It may take a day or 2 day, week or month, but there are tools are available. I'm just showing one of the tool, codedesigns.ai. By using this, we can create our own presentations. So whatever the AI tool that we use, so always we have to sign in first by using any Gmail account. After that, so this is the page where we have to give our prompt. If you want to create your website, for example, I just want to create a website for my cake, portfolio website for cake and ice cream shop named. So ice cream shops named maybe Divya's Cake Shop. So this is the name where I want to create my own portfolio website. After that, if you want to make a website on the English language, you can choose it. There are many languages that are available. I just keep it as English. Then click generate website. So in a second, we can able to get a, yeah, just click. It is under the food and beverages category. Language is English. Business name Divya's Cake Shop. Location Coimbatore. We can give it as it is, no problem. And then click generate website now. So what it does? So it does setting up all the custom layouts and crafting the designs, and even the color palette also it can able to design, and it producing the captivating images for our sites, and it seamlessly also. So it creates the web and mobile applications oriented websites. So it almost done. So within a second, yes, within a second, we can able to create our own website by using codedesigns.ai. So now we can see this is the website page. Yes, it's interesting, right? So within a second, it just created this beautiful website. So where we have some editing mode is available. Just clicking of this, we can do editing. You can, if you want to change this picture, you can edit this by just uploading of the new picture. You can change the content, colors, font style, size, and everything. So once done your websites, you can update the contact page, about us page, home page, everything. After once it's done means just click publish and save. So if you want to publish this website into this cloud server, so we can directly do this. But when you see this URL, it is not professional, right? So what we can do, we have to purchase the domain, and then directly we just integrating this website code into any WordPress or Wix.com, so that we can instantly generate our AI website without any delay or without any human interruptions. It may cost some extra charges, but simply using of this codedesigns.ai, so we can use this websites. So if you want to, this is not like a good URL. So if you want to purchase like Divya's cakeshop.com, so where you can do add a domain. So it will go to the payment page. We have to purchase the domain. Then you can just integrate this website into any WordPress or Wix.com portal. So then your entire website will be public, simply. So this is how we can use this code.ai, and also there are some tools are available. I'm just showing you. You can sign into Google Docs. So there is an interesting part here. So yes, let me show it in the just a half minutes. So where, yeah, so this is a Google Docs page, right? So this is a Google company's Docs applications. In this, you can click the tools and click voice typing. So here you can find many languages. I'm just keeping it as Hindi. I'm just selecting Hindi language here. So where is that? This is Hindi, right? Okay. After this, you can change your voiceover into text by selecting of any of the languages that you want. I'm just clicking Hindi, and I'm just speaking by just clicking off this assistant button. Click. आपको नमस्ते, मेरा नाम दिव्या है, मैं आज वेबिनार लीजेंगे कंप्यूटर सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया में. धन्यवाद. Similarly, yes. So similarly, if you want to take it into any languages, Tamil, English, anything you want, just clipping this, and you can do any kind of text you can do by using of the voiceover. So this is the one kind of way we can generate our text. This is Google Docs voice translating AI tool. So similarly, we can do like AI image creations and AI video creations by using Leonardo.ai, ImageR.ai, Flicky.ai, Hygiene.ai. So in the way we can create a different kind of videos by using AI tools. And yeah, a lot of things to share with you. And recently, one updations was offered by Tesla's Elon Musk. So they offered a 1 crore job offer to everyone, open to the market. The only thing is they should have some heights of 5.7 to 5.11 feet, and also they have some basic skills of virtual reality. If you know the skills, we can able to apply for this data collection operator role. So in this, they just charging of 4,000 per hour. Imagine if it is 4,000 per hour means per day, if it is 8 hours of work means we may get around 30,000. For a month, it may around 9 lakhs. We can take it as 10 lakhs. And for an year, it will be 1.2 crores, correct? So after tedious deductions, we will get solidly around of 1 crore rupee by just knowing of only virtual reality skills. It is available. And the work they are hiring for data collection operator, in this, the people, they have to work with robots, humanoid robot, optimized robot, where they have to feed the data to the robot and they have to analyze it and how it works and give the reports to the particular authority persons. If you are doing this, you can able to earn up to 1 crore rupee by just having of only virtual reality skills, technology skills. So this is a very good offer, which was offered by Tesla's Elon Musk recently. And yes, and then next we'll move on to questionnaire parts. Yes, I'm very happy to move to the questionnaire part now.
Thank you, Ms. Divya.
Thank you, sir.
Dear participants, now it's time to have the Q&A session. Already at the time of registration, we have received questions from you. Selected questions are consolidated and the same is getting presented here for your reference. And our guest speaker will be answering those questions one by one, and followed by that, the participants who have joined now, if you have any questions, that can be posted in the chat window. Yes, Ms. Divya.
Yeah, so we are having some few questions about this webinar and what are your predictions for AI impact on society. Actually, I think 10 days back, LinkedIn founder recently quoted one statement that 9 to 5 job working style will going to be absolute by 2024. After 10 years, there will be no 9 to 5 job style. So people will not sit and work for a single company for 8 hours for a years. So how it's going to be after 10 years? So in World Economic Forum recently, I can share the PDF also after this webinar. The World Economic Forum recently, they just listed some job listings. What are the jobs we can do remotely? What are the jobs we can do manually? They already listed even software developers and graphical designers or a marketing research persons. So there are many jobs are listed on the remote side. So what is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it? So you can find a software developer role also, do it from the remote side. So this means all the tech companies are just trying to make their working style from the regular basis to remote. So you can apply your skills locally, nationally, internationally. If you are strong on that particular field, there is a term called generalist and specialist. So if you are a generalist that never works in future, if you are a specialist, you will be you will be on the safer side, because the company, because for example, can you able to sit and watch 1 hour 2 hours YouTube video? Yes, anyone of you doing 1 hour 2 hours of sitting and just watching the YouTube videos? No, we really do not do this. We simply just watch only short 30-second, maximum 1 minute 5 minutes of videos. We don't have that much of patience to simply sit and watch the hourly based videos, right? So this going to be impact in the job market also. You cannot simply sit and do for a single role for 8 hours in a day for a long years, for maybe 3 years, 5 years, maybe up to your decisions. This never going to happen. So the job market will be freelancing basis. You have to enhance your specialist skill so that you can get the projects from various companies. Instead of working for the single company, you can work for multiple companies. You can apply your skills to multiple companies so that your revenue will also going to increase, so that you can easily earn up to minimum 1 to 2 lakhs in next 1 year. A normal fresher can able to earn up to 1 lakh to 2 lakhs by having of multiple freelancing projects, by just simply applying of the simple same skills. This will going to impact in the next 5 to 10 years based on the reports of World Economic Forum and our recent studies, case studies and everything. And moving to second questions, what is the main motto of this? So which means the main motto of this, initially I told that we just want to empowering the complete society, individuals and businesses to digitally strong, and they want to be technologically upgraded. Otherwise, so as all said, will be vanished, will be destroyed. Okay, so everything, so wherever you go, whatever the sectors you choose, always you should know how to use the technologies, because you should aware of these technologies first. So we are having two options. Either you can choose creating side or you can choose applying side. So you have 83 lakhs applications are available in the job, all the entire world. So you can solely use all these applications based on your requirement, like Google, ChatGPT, like Google Meet, Zoom Meet. There are common applications. We can use it for various purposes. Similarly, you can use 83 lakhs of applications. So these are complete motto of us. And next, what are the skills most needed and useful to improve our knowledge? Yes. So it is not a single concept. So whatever the field, whatever the technical terms you choose, we have to be the thing. We have to be very consistent. We have to be very patient about on particular thing, so that whatever the things you face initially, but definitely over the period of time, will be the specialist on the particular field. And next, how do you paper presentations using AI? Yeah, that we saw in that gamma.ai, right? By just giving of the simple prompt, or you can make some any kind of, if you have any Word documents, by just uploading this, you can make a stunning presentations within a minute. Not only presentations, there are many features are available. For all those features, we can use these AI tools. Already entrepreneurs, job seekers, students, teachers, digital marketers, HRs, even all are using AI tools now. So people, you all have to know how to use all these tools first. Based on your category, maybe student category or entrepreneurs category or job seekers category, and anyway, or a developing categories. Yes. And the next, A in education and startups. Startups. So the startup companies are always keep struggling to make their each and every works for websites building, for doing, for if they want to pitch their ideas to venture capitalists or angel investors or anyone incubators. So they have to have some pitch deck presentations. So if they know aware of all these tools now, so they can easily run their business without any hesitations, without any delay, without expecting someone's hiring. So that's all. And how it will be for HR. HR, it is mostly like for just streamlining their recruitment process for screening, sorting, and just making the interview scheduling to that particular candidate on time. So they can use kind of AI tools. And as a machine learning guy who stepped into this field, I'm not clear about this implementation part. For these questions, I can tell that, so whatever the projects we do, I'm always telling, make yourself specialist on any one of the particular field, so that you can able to apply your same skills locally in any one of the company, nationally in any one of the company. I may suggest you go to Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, or Mumbai. So where you can find a very good number of startups and many technical based companies where you can apply your skills on that company. And if you go to the international, you have many countries available, USA, Singapore, Malaysia. So where you can apply your skills, so that for the same single skills, you can get different kind of revenues, right? So try to make yourself specialist on any one of the particular technical word or a term. And next, I need to start a learning coding, where and how to start. So Python languages is a booming language, as we saw in that presentation. So it is the only language that adapting all the technologies, even AI, machine learning, big data, cloud computing, IoT, cybersecurity, all the fields, Python is applicable. So if you are a good knowledge, if you have some good sounds of Python programming language, that would be okay for this current scenario. So you can have some Unacademy, online learning platforms, Swayam, and Coursera, Great Learning. There are many free online learning platforms that are available, Unacademy. So you can start learn by using these basic programming languages, and then you use AI tools. After that, you can able to understand how the programming works as a beginner. And yeah, this is what we saw, what is AI and its applications on various industries. And the 10th questions, it is possible to work without coding in AI. Yeah, I told you now, so there are two ways, creator side, implementer side. If you are a creator, you should know some programming languages to develop your own application or a software. If you are not interested to do programming languages, you can choose your path as an implementing side, where you can have, I told you, 83 lakhs of applications available. So you can use it, okay, for your working style requirements without knowing of the coding. Even you can find, right? So for the website development, so that time we have to know Java, JavaScript, React.js, and other SQL, other database administrating programming languages. But we have some code designs.ai, right? By simply knowing all this AI tool, we can able to also create some websites, wonderful websites within a second. That's very interesting, right? So even without knowing of the coding, you can survive by using this AI technologies and just awareing of how to use this. So this is what the questions are listed here. Anything else we can?
The questions taken from the chat window are again, posted in a consolidated way. You can answer them one by one. From the questions taken from the chat windows given in the chat box.
So people, see, do you have any questions? You can put it on the chat bot.
It's already posted, ma'am. You can have a look at it. 3 questions.
Okay. Is there any websites to learn about AI tools as well? Yeah, so there is one platform where you can find all these AI tools. let me tell you, after seeing it, I just forgot that name, but there is one platform is available where you can find all this list of AI tools and its purpose as well. So you can learn it one by one. And the next one, AI will replace coders also in coming generations because AI can think and give us solutions to the problem itself by coding. Okay, so Poonam, for this question, one recently, one textile industry in one of the state of India, they recently introduced one AI model, okay, for as a brand ambassador. So for this, anyone of you heard about this news? In India, one state, they introduced one AI model as a brand ambassador for their products. That is a textile industry. So anyone heard about this? Okay, let me tell you that CMarty is the company. So they introduced one AI model as a brand ambassador. The name is called Isha Ravi. So why they did it? So the industries may vary, but they are trying to adapting the new technologies. So in this, if this happening, how the models industries will going to work? No, always technologies was built with the human interruptions one day. So if we have to aware of the technologies first, we're never going to be replaced by anyone. We have to enhance ourselves further. We should aware of this upcoming technology. Otherwise, asset will be vanished, will be removed, will be replaced by someone else. Else, those who having of that particular skills. So always we should keep our learning on the same phase. AI replace humans? If yes, I mean, what are the areas? For examples, when we saw that Google Docs, right? So there are many typist jobs are available in the government sectors. When you go to the court, there will be a typist available. When you go to the any district employment office or any agriculture-based office, you can find some typist jobs. So government are hiring typists for that particular post. But by if the persons know how to use this AI tools, Google Docs typing translating tool, they can easily enhance their skills without replacing. But anyway, in the government sector, replacing of any designations may take decades. So intimate AI jobs available in current scenario. Yeah, so there are AI jobs are available if you are know some basic knowledges. There are machine learning engineers, robotics engineers, and NLP engineers, and research analysts, AI trainers, and data analysts, and cybersecurity engineer. There are a lot of AI jobs are available. If we can control AI technology, what technology can do it? So this is how actually the Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT are daily competing with each and everyone for enhance their features, each and everyone. So then we'll see. There is an advanced of AI technology available, AGS. So you can search it in the Google or a YouTube. So already AI technologies advancement is already introduced, launched in the market. And I just want to know whether we can use AI tools in the cybersecurity. Definitely you can use. If you are going for the software developer in the cybersecurity field, you can definitely use these AI tools because AI tools are the one where you can generate your own applications or you can get own ideas by using of the AI tools so that it will be very helpful. It will act as a right hand for you when you go to your cybersecurity field. Negative sides, cautions to be taken while adapting AI. Abhinav, negative sides are
This question is from Mr. Abhinav Daniel.
okay. Yeah, from Abhinav Daniel. Okay, I think it is all about learning, right? So there is no negative sides. So if you are aware of everything, we'll be on the safer side. If you don't know how to use Google Map, we'll be suffer when you go to unknown places. Similarly, so I think there is no that much of negative sides. So while adapting to the AI technologies, and Dr. Venkateshan, how students can use AI for their job search. Yeah, uh, they can use some kind of AI tools, if they have their LinkedIn profile on the LinkedIn, so the HR can easily scrutinize their profile. So by giving of the detailed, better keywords and maintaining of their profile, keep updated, so that the HR recruiters can easily extract their keywords based on they can shortlist their resumes. They can get the interview call as well. There is a tool available at a Signal Hire. By using this tool, so the people can able to extract anyone's contact and even email ID, other social media links across the world, because the LinkedIn account, almost 1 billion accounts are available at LinkedIn. Almost 100 crores people are using LinkedIn. So you can tap anyone's contact email ID by just having a Signal Hire AI tool, so that you can approach respective companies, HR, or any startup company's direct CEO or founder, anyone. And is AI act in data mining field? See, absolutely. So AI is not a single technology. So AI is comprising of machine learning, data, because data is everything. If you can able to feed the data to the particular machines only, the person will act like some for algorithms. So data is everything. So it definitely be useful for the data mining field as well.
Thank you very much. Dear participants, thank you for posting the queries. And I thank the guest speaker for giving a detailed clarification. Now,
Thank you. Thank you.
we are moving on to the next segment, that is vote of thanks, for which now I invite Dr. E.K. Girisan, Secretary, CSI Coimbatore Chapter, and Associate Professor and Head, Department of Computer Technology, Sri Krishna Aditya College of Arts and Science, to propose vote of thanks.
Yeah, excuse me. Before we proceed with the vote of thanks, I just want to give a quick update about chapter initiatives. Before getting into our chapter initiatives, I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to Divya Krish for her exceptional session. Her profound knowledge of AI and her captivating examples have undoubtedly ignited a spark of curiosity and enthusiasm among all of us. The AI-generated video tribute, particularly, that is for actor Vivek, was a truly touching, inspiring, and thought-provoking moment, I should say. Coming back to our Computer Society of India Coimbatore chapter initiatives, as you know, the Computer Society of India is committed to sharing valuable IT knowledge with the community. To fulfill this commitment, we have implemented a fortnightly knowledge sharing initiative. Every second Wednesday, we organize webinars featuring subject matter experts from academia or from industry. These experts generously share their knowledge and experience, providing invaluable insights to all of us. Additionally, on the fourth Wednesdays, we have the privilege of hearing from enthusiastic and talented students who share their unique perspectives and experience. This platform allows them to contribute to our community, like our today's speaker, Ms. Divya Krish. I encourage everyone to stay tuned and participate in our fortnightly sessions. We have an exciting lineup of experts, few of them from Fortune 500 companies as well, scheduled for the upcoming months. Once again, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Ms. Divya Krish and all our participants for taking time away from their hectic schedule and joining our session today. Your presence and engagements have made this a memorable and enriching experience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. One thing I want to say, so thank you so much, Dr. Venkatesan, sir, for introducing me this Computer Society of India today. So thank you for your grateful guidance to me. Thank you, sir. And coming to Computer Society of India, so I'm just wishing and encouraging this association continues to inspire many future leaders and empowering many individuals to shape the futures technologically upgraded. So I hope as it's the main priority of CSI as well. Thank you so much.
Sir, thank you very much for providing details about the initiatives of our chapter. Thank you, the speaker, for your words of kindness. Now, may I invite our secretary, Dr. E.K. Girisan, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Magarasan. Once again, a very good afternoon, good evening to one present in this virtual gathering. First of all, I should thank the guest speaker of today's evening, Ms. Divya Krish. Divya, you have done a wonderful job, meticulously planned and organized your presentation in an effective manner by throwing insights on the application side of the AI. Thanks from CSI Coimbatore chapter for your presentation this evening. I think you have made great efforts in delivering participants, and to place on record, today's event was witnessed by more than 50 participants, and that was overwhelming. And this is the second time that we have experienced such crowd in this virtual day. Many thanks to each and everyone for joining this webinar on AI tools in action. My sincere thanks to Dr. Venkateshan sir for Ms. Divya Krish. Thank you, sir. And my gratitude goes to our MC members, Dr. Radha Damodaran for her introduction, and Dr. Maharasan for his nice organization of events. I also thank our office admin staff, Mr. Durvesh, for the preparations done and for the coordination of this event. Once again, thanks to one and all, and good night to one and all. Thank you.